Hey ladies! Finally, here are the answers to the 5 key questions you've been asking about the Venus Factor. Venus Factor is an increasingly popular weight loss program that's been designed for women only. If you want to find out more about it, go to InsideVenusFactor.com. As you may know, nothing is perfect. There are things we like about it, and there are things we don't like about it. The truth is, Venus Factor has already helped a lot of women lose weight quite easily, the healthy way. More importantly, it does a good job of helping women build an attractive, lean, toned body. It works very well. In this video, you'll find out whether it's the right weight loss program for you or not. Here are the questions we're going to answer in this video. Is Venus Factor the best weight loss program for women today? Why most women love it? What makes it different from other weight loss programs? What do you get inside the program? And what are the things that we don't like about it? Let's get started with the first question. Question number 1. Is Venus Factor the best weight loss program for women today? Well, we cannot say it is the best program. That would be vague and a bold statement. But definitely, it's one of the best weight loss programs for women right now. One thing you need to know for sure is that it is actually much better than many other programs we see on the market today. As you may know, the best weight loss program is the one that helps you enjoy delicious, healthy nutrition and an active lifestyle. And Venus Factor gives you exactly that in a smart and simplified way. They explain everything in detail at InsideVenusFactor.com. Question number 2. Why women love Venus Factor weight loss program? Women love Venus Factor for one good reason. It helps them get a toned, sexy body. Many weight loss programs make women skinny, but also unattractive. What's the point of losing weight only to be left with those hanging, saggy skins and wrinkles? Venus Factor does a good job of helping you achieve an attractively toned look. Every woman would want a good-looking, toned, sexy butt. If this is important to you, get Venus Factor. Question number 3. What makes Venus Factor different from other weight loss programs? Unlike other weight loss programs, Venus Factor has been developed to work with the female anatomy, metabolism, and hormones. It's based on recent scientific discoveries, and it's all about women. If you're tired of those generic one-size-fits-all programs, you'll love Venus Factor. Question number 4. What is inside Venus Factor weight loss program? Venus Factor is a very extensive weight loss program. Inside, you'll have access to all that you need, including the Venus Factor Diet and Weight Loss Manual, contains over 80 different delicious meal plans. The 12-week Venus Factor workout system is a complete library of instructional workout videos. The Venus Factor Virtual Nutritionist app is like having your personal weight loss nutritionist in your pocket. It's very helpful. The Venus community is a very motivating, helpful, and supportive community. The Venus Index podcasts share with you interviews of other Venus Factor members talking about their weight loss success stories. In addition to this comprehensive package, you'll learn a lot of new things you never knew were possible. Question number 5. What are the things that we don't like about Venus Factor? Of course, nothing is perfect. Here are a few things we don't like about Venus Factor. It might be different for you. The layout in the members area is not organized in a logical manner. The program is full of scientific information that most people wouldn't need. This is quite time-consuming to read unless you like to know all the science stuff. Also, the literature contains too many success stories. It's good to hear other people's stories for inspiration, but not when you're trying to get started the same day. With that said, overall, Venus Factor is still a great weight loss program for women. The best part is it's very cheap. Unlike other programs that charge you an expensive monthly fee, with Venus Factor, you only pay a once-off payment of $47, the amount you would normally spend on one dinner out at a restaurant. In summary, Venus Factor is actually a very simple, healthy way to lose weight and keep a toned, sexy body. Even though individual results may vary, you may want to try Venus Factor for at least 1 month and see the results for yourself. This program is changing the lives of so many women, it can change yours too. We hope you found our answers helpful. If you want more information, click the link in the description below or go to InsideVenusFactor.com.